Greetings, folks. You've reached DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I want to talk about topics that can help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today, the topic I want to talk about is making investment gains through alternate means. And so, we all have things that we need to buy in life, and by being a little creative, we can, in a sense, boost how much money we have in order to uh, invest and, I guess, retire eventually someday. And specifically, kind of what I want to talk about is if you think about your food budget. Everybody has to spend money on food. Um, by having, I don't know if it's an emergency fund, but by having extra funds available to you, you can strategically do some behaviors that end up uh, keeping more money in your pocket. And you can think of those as investment gains. So, you could take your money and invest it in the stock market in hopes that you might get a 15% return off of that. But the money that you put in the market is at risk. You never know when a crash might happen. And so, if you could get a guaranteed, say, 15% increase on those funds, that would be a worthwhile endeavor. And so, specifically, kind of what I wanted to talk about is how you do shopping for food, because there are ways to discount how much you have to pay for the things that you use anyways. And one of those is, say, buying in bulk at a case lot sale or something of that nature, where you say, this is something that I'm going to use this year, and I'm going to look for it on sale. And when it is on sale, I'm going to buy a lot of it. And you have to have a space to store some of the stuff, but by doing that, if you save 15% off of something you're going to eat anyways, that is a gain on investment, because you put your capital into something that you're going to buy anyways. And saving 15% is sometimes even better than a gain of 15%, because gains are taxed, whereas savings are not. So don't discount this idea of saving more. And you can, whenever you buy something online, you can look for a coupon. I've heard if you're going to buy something on online shop, say Amazon or something, you can put it in a cart and then just leave it there for a little bit. And after a few days, a lot of these online companies say this person may not buy this item, so sometimes they send you coupons or discounts. Say, hey, are you still there? We want to offer you this discount on this thing you want. That's a way of creating an investment gain, because saving 15% on something is the same as making 15% on something, even better. Another thing that I do in my local area is we have a grocery store that we shop at all the time. And every Black Friday, Thanksgiving time, they offer a sale on gift cards. And they offer gift cards at several local places like Home Depot and Lowe's, but they also offer gift cards at their own store, and they offer 15% off when you buy those gift cards. So we go out, and every Black Friday, we spend $1,000. Actually, we started $500 first, but last year we spent $1,000 on gift cards, because that saved us $150. In fact, I think we just got an extra card that was $150. So we know we're going to spend $1,000 a year at this grocery store, but because we have money available, then we spent $1,000 on Black Friday on gift cards to the grocery store, and we saved 15%. Now, I consider that a 15% gain on that $1,000 that I had over the course of a year. That's much better than leaving the funds in a money market account. So, that is an investment gain. So don't discount those ideas, and you can look out there for things that you're going to do in your life and try to find them at a discount, and then really consider those as a gain on your investments, because they act the exact same way. So overall, this video is to kind of look at investment returns in interesting ways. And saving money on something you're going to purchase anyways is the same as getting an investment gain. And over the long term, all of those little gains add up so that you have more money in your pocket in the end, for you to enjoy. So guess for comments on the video, what do you guys think? Do you guys actively do creative food shopping? Do you buy in bulk on things you're going to need anyways? You try to get discounts on, cars or car insurance, or any of the expensive things you use in life. Everything can be an investment gain. What are you guys doing? What ideas do you have out there? And appreciate you being here and watching the videos on this channel. We'll see you. Bye.